Hey guys, this is Robert, and here we have a Magsafe mobile power bank, 5-in-1, 15-watt fast charging. Okay, this is moisture proof, afraid of heat, handle with care, up. And here's the input and outputs. Input port is USB-C, and 10,000 milliamp. It's for Apple phones, watches, Apple headphones, wireless charging, and you can also charge an Android or any USB device because it has support or ports on the side for that. Okay, so here is a booklet. Just want to use it, maybe. Yep, how to use it. Here is the stand, power bank. It's pretty thick, so yeah. So it has the Magsafe charger here. Open it up, we have another charging spot here. And then we have the Apple Watch charger here. And then here we have in and outs. So you can charge any USB device here, the out, and then you can charge this with a USB-C cable, which they have provided here. This is USB-C to C. Let's see how much battery is there now. It's 89%. And then I can try, let's see, then in stand mode, and then plug it here. Not sure you can see, but it is charging my phone here, and has a logo here. So there you go. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.